Okay, good morning everybody. Got a few more subscribers this week, thank you very much. And today we're going to go to Los Montesinos. It's a little town just north of Torreta, about 15-minute drive outside Torreta, population of about 5,000 people. And we're going to go north up the cycle track. Last time we went down the cycle track. This time we're going to go up the cycle track. And that'll take us past the lake on the left and to Los Montesinos. It's only about 4 miles tops, 3-4 miles, that's all. So we should be alright, shouldn't we?
Yeah, hopefully.
We've been before, it's a nice place. Might go there for a spot of lunch.
Yeah, why not?
We'll crack on, let's get cracking.
Start workout.
So this is a cycle track north of where we are. So north of the Torretas, and we're going towards Casada in that area. Now this is what you call grass. You need more than a lawnmower to get rid of this, wouldn't you? I was going to go in there first. Oh, we go. Got me. Yeah, on to the left of us is the Pink Lake. We come onto the road because the cycle track's just a little bit on the bumpy side. So while we've got a road and it's nice and wide, we might as well take advantage of that. Some very nice little villas here, right by the lake. Lovely view. Some have got rooftop solariums and very nice place to be. So the lake not looking as pink as it normally does. We've just come along this track. So let's crack on. We're probably about, I'd say, a mile from the main road. We can just see the industrial estate in front of us with a blue roof, and that's off the main road. So you'd had Casada standing proudly in front of us there. We cycled right to the top of there, didn't we? That's a lot further. I think that's about 6 miles. And this I don't think is much more than 4, if that. I saw that on Google Earth, that big pond there. It's, I think it's a fish farm, yeah. So here we are at Los Montesinos in the town square, looking very nice. All the tables social distanced. We're rolling.
We're rolling out, we're drowning.
Well, we just thought we'd come for. Guess what we've come for? What do you think we've come for?
I wonder if people can guess what we've come for.
Oh, we've cycled a long way, haven't we, today?
Yeah. So I think we deserve something.
Yeah. I wonder if anybody can guess what we're drinking.
I don't think so, do you? I feel like I'm going to drown in a minute, though.
What are you going to drown in?
What we're drinking. If I don't drink it, I'm going to drown in it.
Are you going to duck?
No.
What would happen if you just ducked your head now? Where'd you go?
Quack.
What if I went like this? Oh, I can still see you, look. I still see you.
You still see me through it.
Yeah.
You see, you drown me now.
Am I quenching your thirst?
No. You just...
Is it working?
Bop, 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 bop.
I can see all them bubbles coming up. All the bubbles coming up.
Can't breathe.
Well, I can't look at it any longer, I'm
You have to
afraid.
drink it.
I've got to have a drink.
Yeah, me too.
So, where have we been today?
We've been to Los Montesinos.
Been to Los Montesinos.
We've had some lunch.
What did we have?
We had some fish and chips.
I had bones in my fish though.
I didn't have any bones.
You didn't get any bones and I got
At all.
loads of bones.
You had about 10.
Why did I get bones and you get any
I
bones?
don't know.
Should have swapped plates.
But your fish were a bit bigger than mine, then you'd have been complaining.
I'd rather have a smaller fish with no bones than a bigger fish with loads of bones.
There's just no pleasing some people, is there?
Nah. So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. Thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And hit the notification bell.
Ow! Adios.
Adios.